Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to order Food Panda using PayPal payment. Before you begin, keep in mind that PayPal is only available in supported countries and regions. If you don't see PayPal during checkout, it means Food Panda doesn't currently support it in your location. Make sure your PayPal account is verified and has a linked debit card, credit card, or available balance. Now let's get started. First, open the Food Panda app and sign in to your account. Now browse the restaurants and choose the food you want to order, then select your items. After that, tap Add to Cart. Now tap View Your Cart. Then review your order to make sure everything is correct. After that, tap Confirm Payment and Address or Checkout. Now verify your delivery address, then go to the Payment Method section. Here, select PayPal if it's available. If you haven't linked your PayPal account yet, tap Add Payment Method and choose PayPal. Now sign into your PayPal account. Then review the payment details and authorize Food Panda to use your PayPal account. After that, return to the checkout page. Now review your order one final time, then tap Place Order or Pay Now. Once the payment is approved, you'll receive an order confirmation and you can track your delivery directly in the Food Panda app. If PayPal isn't listed as a payment option, you'll need to use another available payment method such as a debit card, credit card, or a supported wallet in your region. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.